Hello students, good morning all. We are going to learn with a new topic, that is light, sun and force. Okay. Now see, I am standing in this room. You can see me now. Why? Because light falls on me. But if I am standing in a dark room, is it possible to you to see me? No. Why? Because we are unable to see in a dark. We see the thing or the object when the light falls on it or them. We need light to see. But from where do we get light? Correct. We get light from sun, lamps, bulbs, torches, candles, etc. Yes. So we can divide objects in a two groups. One that is luminous, means those who give us light, and another that is non-luminous, those who do not give us light. Okay. So first we will see about luminous objects. Objects that give us light, they all are known as luminous objects. Like the sun, like candle, torch, lamp, etc. are luminous objects. Okay. Luminous objects also can be divided into natural luminous objects and man-made, okay, or artificial luminous objects. Natural luminous objects like sun, firefly, and artificial luminous objects like a torch, candle, lamp, tube lights, etc. Okay. Then remains that is non-luminous objects. Objects that do not give us light are known as non-luminous objects. Examples are pen, pencil, duster, blackboard, book, notebook, chair, table, and so many things are. Okay. So these all are non-luminous objects. But we can see non-luminous objects when light falls on them. Yes. Now you can see the blackboard. Why? Because light which is coming out from the windows, it falls on the blackboard, so it is visible. The sun is the main source of heat and light on the earth, and it is natural luminous object. Okay. Now given chart is given there. Our picture will be given there in your textbook, page number 67. Okay. So from that picture you have to find out luminous object and non-luminous object. Okay. Now if you observe behind me was a black color patch on the blackboard. Yeah. If I move towards the left, it moves with me. Or if I move towards the right, it moves with me. So that black color patch is known as shadow. Or just observe the duster. Okay. Behind the duster you will see a black color patch will appear. Okay. So that black color patch is known as shadow of the duster. Yes. So whenever we are walking through the light, we will see our shadows. Yeah. But when shadows are formed when the object blocks path of the light. Path means the way of light. Okay. Light always travels in a straight way, in a straight path. So if we keep one of the objects in the path of the light, it forms shadow. Okay. Some things like glass, they do not form shadow. Why? Because light passes through the glass. You will see your shadow when you are standing under the sun. A shadow is always formed on the opposite sides of a light. Okay. Now, if I am standing here, you will see the light is coming from the window, but my shadow is falls on opposite sides of a light. The size of a shadow changes during the day because of the changes in the position of sun. The shade of a tree is actually the shadow of tree. You will see the shadow during the morning. The shadow is long, but during the noon means when the sun comes exactly on our head, our shadow is short. But at evening, the shadow is long. Okay. So one activity is given there on page number 68 that you have to do at your home. So you can clear about what does it mean by shadow. Okay. So what we have learned in today's period, we have learned about luminous object, non-luminous object. Then we have learned about shadow and how does it form. Okay. So read the lesson properly. Now I'll give you numerous that numerous you have to copy in your notebook. Number 1, luminous. Number 2, shadow. Number 3, source. Number 4, appear. And number 5, blocks. Okay? So this is the lesson. Also, these are the numbers. Do that activity at